This is a 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a sports suspension, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped shift knob, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, a CD player, and this vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Honolulu Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1370 North King Street in Honolulu.